Yeah, the critical part is just getting that airflow right. Listen. You hear that? That's pellets. Now there's too much air. It's still hot. A little bit too much air. You want to keep that blast furnace effect going right there at the tip of the fuel. That's how we're going to get over 1200 degrees Fahrenheit for heating the water that's in the coil and make an instant hot water heater out of this little J-tube rocket stove pipe. That's burning just right. So it's a matter of tweaking the feed. There. Matter of tweaking the feed of the pellets into the pipe to, you know, keep the oxygen flow in there. Keep it just right. That's going to be the trick. But that's going to give you more to heat than any conventional little stove. It's just a continuous blast furnace effect of the rocket tube right on top of the copper to the point where the steel gets red hot. Too much air. Hear it? Alright, enough for